Mag-voice over muna tayo kasi nakalimutan kong mag-intro. Paano ba naman dapat midwife appointment ko today? Pero nakalimutan ko, bukas pa pala. Kaya para hindi daw masayang ang aming gayak, sabi ni Tim, punta na lang kami sa park. Kaya eto nga, yan, napakaganda talaga ng spring dito sa UK. Lagi na lang kapag family day or picnic, hindi talaga planado. Pero sabi nga nila, yung mga hindi planado talaga ang may perfect moment. Kaya eto nga, dumating kami dito sa Markeaton Park. Kain kami ng sandwich. Tapos dumating yung friend ko, galing sila sa playgroup. Si Sam hindi na naka-attend ng playgroup kasi nakakala ko may midwife appointment kami ngayon. Dumating yung friend ko at dala niya yung gift niya sa akin para sa birthday ko. Medyo late na pero okay lang kasi ang importante, mahalaga, yung thoughts that counts na naalala niya ako noong birthday ko. At dahil nga ngayon lang kami magkita, ngayon lang niya may bibigay at sobrang ganda talaga ng gift niya sa akin. A bit wanting to have snake plants talaga. I'm so kilig dito. Itong friend ko na ito talagang lagi niya akong sinosurprise. Hindi pa matagal simula nung nagkakilala kami. Pero dami na naming alam sa buhay ng isa't isa. Kaya talagang chine-cherish ko itong friendship namin. Thank you sa gift!
Wow, thank you very much. Snake plant. Birthday gift ni Ate Del sa akin. It's nice. It's really nice. Wow. Let's put it here for now. There are more here. Wow. Thank you very much. And some gift. I'll show it later. Thank you very much. I'm just doing this, my dream catcher, habang naghihintay. So, ito yung kit na binigay sa akin ni mom-in-law nung birthday ko. Dala namin yung trike ni Samsam kasi gusto namin i-try niya para parang pag-practicean niya na rin to learn how to ride a bike. Pero ngayon, naglalaro pa sila eh. Saan ba sila? Medyo tahimik ngayon kasi it's Monday, it's weekday. Ito yung gusto ni Tim kapag pupunta sa mga ganito. Hindi katulad kahapon nung pumunta kami sa Formark. Sobrang busy doon sa pinuntahan namin. But it's still okay. Still nice. Okay, you want this?
Okay. So remember what colour shoes, yeah? Are you ready? Get the pedal. Down. Good. Hello, goose. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Hello, goose. Quack, quack. It's okay. Can you see the little babies, Sam? Wow, look, little babies there. Wow.
Good morning. So, it's Tuesday now and it's my midwife appointment. Kahapon din ako nakapag-vlog nung umuwi kami kasi naabutan kami ng ulan. Umulan lang siya ng mga 20 minutes. Pero ano pala siya, hail. Hindi siya, ganon dito sa UK kapag yung sobrang init na, hindi man sobra, parang maaraw. Yung sobrang maaraw na ganyan, tapos biglang kukulimlim, maghe-hail. Uulan ng ice. As in mga parang pebbles na ganyan na ice. So, yeah, hindi ko na naipakita kahapon yung regalo nung friend ko si Ate Del. So, papakita ko lang ngayon. Naipakita ko ng very, very light nung nandun ako sa Markeaton. Pero, ngayon, ipapakita ko. So, itong snake plants, matagal ko na kasing sinasabi sa kanya na bigyan mo naman ako ate kapag nag-cutting ka or nag-repotting ka. So, yun, binigyan niya ako nito. And there's sweet letter there. Sabi niya, "Hi girl, first of all, I would like to apology if this is small. I give you small because I want you to take care of it until it grow and you can always remember me. Hehehe, love Ate Del." And I really love it. I really like it. It's so cute. So, yung vanity table na pinakita ko din nung nakaraan, I think this is really good there to put. So cute. Thank you, Ate Del. And then, binigyan niya kami ng gift. Kami kasi, nagbigay na rin sila ng gift for Tim kasi birthday ni Tim next week. So, yun. Yung gift niya sa akin and for the baby is card and also baby clothes. It's a set. Thank you very much. It's so nice. It's really nice. Thank you, Ate Del. Thank you very much. And also this one, I really like this one. It's so cute. Cute. Thank you very much, Ate Del. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Del. You are so thoughtful. And it's very kind of you to think about me. Thank you. And then, hindi ko alam ipakita ko yung, kung gusto ni Tim na ipakita ko yung gift nila sa kanya. Well, it's something that Tim really likes. Lagi niyang ginagamit. And then, my card na for Tim and Lenny from Zubaki family. So, kasi ito, parang post-birthday gift nila sa akin at saka advance gift din nila kay Tim. So, it says, wishing you a birthday filled with happy little surprises. Yay! Hooray! Happy birthday to the wonderful woman I met. All the best and may you wish all come true. Happy birthday also to you, Tim. Thank you for taking care of Lenny, Sam, and little man. All the best. God bless your family. From Zubaki family. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And then this one, it says to little man from Tita Del, Tito Tom, and Kuya Raiden. I think I will open this when the baby arrives because this is for the baby. So, thank you very much from the Monk family to you, Zubaki family. Thank you. Thank you, Zubaki family. And halos kaka-start lang din mag-vlog ni Ate Del. Please support their YouTube channel. I'll put it here. Thank you very much. So we are walking now to the hospital in Sitim. Wrong clothes. So nilalamig na yung legs ko kasi nag-dress ako. So ako naglagay ng stockings or long socks. So cold now. Well, it says that 14 degrees and partly cloudy. Yesterday it's so sunny and now that's it. That's the summer.
Oh.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Good job.
So we're back home. Kakain lang ako tapos mag-update ako dun sa appointment namin. Ito yung pagkain ko. Chicken biryani at saka something vegetable-y. Nakuha lang namin dyan sa convenience store kasi sobrang gutom na ako. So, update dun sa midwife appointment ko today. That will be my last midwife appointment. Yay! So, I raised my concern about my blood glucose kasi akala ko at first na okay naman. Yung diet ko, yung mga kinakain ko, I thought it's okay. But these past few days, I think 4 days ago, it started like something's off because I'm a bit worried. Kung is this a little bit concerning, should I ask for medication or prescription, something like that. And then they asked me about ano yung kinakain ko. So, yun, sabi ko more on toast sa umaga. Yun yung medyo concerned ako. And then I thought toast, because it's brown bread, it will be okay. Pero, yun, ang suggestion nila or recommended, hindi pala maganda ang toast. Kasi it's still carbs. And it will spike my glucose. And then, I thought banana and blueberry will be okay. But, yun, yung banana pala talaga ay nakakapagpataas ng glucose. They suggest na mag-stick sa plant-based. For example, I can still eat carbs, which is rice, pero mag-stick sa brown rice. And then, just moderation. Always remember the portion. They check my diary, which is like this one. I'll show. They check my monitoring, which I am using for monitoring my blood sugar, and the diabetes care team also from the hospital, they can monitor this. And so yeah, if you can see, it's like all are like red this morning because it's a bit, I don't know what's happening. I thought I'll be okay because I can control my diet and I've been trying and I've been doing things that I know that's good for me, like I'm eating salad only, more on yeah, fruits. Pero yung mga fruits na nakakain ko pala is not good. They are not good for glucose issues. Like grapes. Grapes, ang sabi ng midwife, talagang nakakapagpataas yan ng glucose, banana, and blueberry. And those are the grapes that I've been eating lately. Especially grapes and banana. And then, yun. Ang sabi naman, is not that concerning yet. So, I can still change my diet. Still have 3 weeks. And they said that it's not just now that you're going to do this healthy balanced diet, kundi kahit after manganak kasi it's for my health and for the baby and for the whole family. Pwede ko rin daw gawin. Yun nga, toast, it's not good. Toast, bread, are not good for glucose issues because it's carbs. They advise na if I will eat something mayroong carbs, dapat plant-based siya. So, yun. Hopefully, everything will be okay. Sabi naman nila, it's not that concerning yet. Just change my diet and hopefully it will be okay. And next time na may appointment ako sa hospital, pwede kong erase ulit itong issue na ito sa diabetes care team, which is sila na yung nag-aalaga sa akin ngayon hanggang matapos ang pregnancy. And I only have 3 weeks now. I'm 37 weeks now. 37 and 1 day. So yeah, that's the update. This is my life lately.